We are finally here. Welcome to Poland, welcome to Krakow. Picking up our rental car, making sure no dents or scratches. By the way, renting a car in Poland is somewhat of an interesting experience, but that's a topic for another episode because right now we're just super hungry. And in our case, we're not staying in Krakow right now. We have about 150 miles to drive, so I want to find something relatively close to the airport. We asked for some recommendations, and the place that was recommended is literally 5 minutes off the airport. Let's go and check it out. The place is called Skansen Smaków, or a taste museum in loose translation. And when you walk inside, you know what museum it is. It's just absolutely, you feel like you're in a different world. So I'm just gonna shut up for a second and let you enjoy this. And when you sit down and examine the menu, it offers just about anything your heart can desire in terms of Polish food. And by the way, if you're thinking of prices, $5 to $10 per person is gonna get you so much food, you simply will not be able to finish. Well, please tell me, was this good?
No, pewno.
Or was this good?
Excellent. Excellent.
So
No,
highly
it's
recommend.
really,
It's
really
just
good.
like 5 minutes off the airport. Traditional Polish cuisine. And by the way, so the place is called Skansen Smaków. Skansen, loose translation would be an open air museum of tastes. And of course, that means Polish traditional stuff. We had pierogi. I had my żurek.
Pierogi ruskie.
Pierogi ruskie in Poland, right? Now they're called Ukrainian, I think.